husband hid my daughter's passport so she couldn't come with us. We were supposed to go on this family vacation I'd been planning for months. I paid for everything: flights, hotels, activities, for all of us. My husband has 3 kids from a previous relationship, and I have one daughter who's 17. She's the oldest, super responsible, works part-time, deals with some health stuff, and still manages to keep up with school. She's not the most outgoing with her step-siblings, but she's not